Hello, good morning, and welcome to my bathroom. Today we will be dyeing our hair green. I'm a little nervous because I do like my blonde, but I kind of want to switch it up, and I know that I can probably go back to blonde, but it still makes me nervous. I just been feeling green lately. I don't know why, I just really been feeling green. I have always wanted to dye my hair like a serious green, so we're gonna go green. We're gonna do it. Gordon convinced me yesterday. The two colors I picked up over at Sally's were Arctic Fox Phantom Green, and then I also got the Ion Permanent Brights in the color Emerald. The reason why I got this one is because this is a permanent and this is a semi-permanent, so I was hoping if I mixed them, it would last a little bit longer and the color would be just as close. The process should be relatively simple because I'm already blonde, so we're just gonna mix these and then put it on the hair and check out the outcome. I decided I didn't want to get it all over my sweatshirt, so this is what we're looking at. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go put my hair in a bag and then I'll see you when it's ready. It's about probably 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay, it's been about an hour. I'm ready to take this off my head and see what the color looks like. It's like a spooky Halloween green, like a goblin green. Do I like it? Maybe. Maybe. So I'm going to hop in the shower real quick, blow dry, do all that shebang, and then I'll show you guys the final results. See you in a minute. Hello. This is my hair. And I think I very much dislike it. I think it is too light of a green. Let me see if you guys can see it better, but it's too light of a green for me, but I think that the green is pretty. Definitely if you're looking for this, that's the way to go. But like I said, for me it is too light, so I want to change it up, and I'm also definitely going to re-dye my black hair with black box dye. When it came to the green, I wanted to do like a testing of colors to see what would mix better. So I have two right here that I tested. I did want my hair a bit darker, but I didn't want it super dark, so I feel like this is actually the green, teal-y type green that I'm looking for. To make this color, I had an old bottle of teal and green that I mixed in my videos a while ago. I'll link it up above if you want to see it, but that is old hair dye I have that I'm going to mix with the Arctic Fox green, and hopefully it'll come out a nice darker, more vibrant green in that sense. But yeah, I don't like this one, so we're gonna fix it, hopefully. This is the blue teal that I had left over. Now I'm just gonna pour Arctic Fox in there, and hopefully it comes out more green than blue, because last time it came out a bit more bluish. So this is what the color looks like. It's a pretty nice emeraldy green. I'm probably going to do the green first and then the black. That's usually how I do it, and it works out, so we're gonna do it that way. If you guys want to know how to split dye your hair successfully when it comes to doing black on top and a color on bottom, definitely go check out my split hair dye video, and hopefully it'll cover like these light brown roots that I'm not really feeling. Yeah, I really like this color a lot more. I'm getting a good feeling about this one. Okay guys, this is what my hair looks like. It's pretty dark green, which I'm loving, and then here's black, which I did. I'm gonna rinse out the black first, and then I'm gonna rinse out the green, and then we're gonna look at the beautiful outcome together. Yes, thank you. This is so much better. And I wish I could show you guys, because I feel like the color is still a little bit off with the lighting, but this is literally like green. This is pretty, and I'm so happy I re-dyed my hair black. I feel like it just looks so much better. Okay, I'm gonna dry it and then I'll show you. I feel like you can kind of get the color of it now. Look how vibrant and green this hair color is. I love this color combination. I thought that I wouldn't like green, and it's still picking up a little bit different on camera just because the lights are overhead. So I'm gonna show you guys a different view, see if it looks a little different. Okay, so I'm in front of natural lighting right now, and look how shiny my hair is, dang. But this is the green. Let me pick up my hair. Yeah, this is the green. It is so, so pretty. I really, really love it, and I love the way it looks. It's so pretty. I hope it looks pretty good on the bottom. Yeah. This is definitely one of my favorite colors, and my hair definitely needed re-dyeing black. Look at that. It just looks so cute. I'm so happy. So yeah, this is amazing. I love it.